What if we told you the secret to having more money is hiding in plain sight? That's right. There are 6 things you're buying that are draining your wallet without you even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to make smarter choices. And number 6, well, it's going to shock you. Let's dive right in and start putting money back in your pockets. At number 1, we have books and subscriptions. I know what you're thinking. Books? Isn't reading supposed to be good for me? And yes, it absolutely is. But let's be honest for a second. How many of the books you've bought are sitting on your shelf collecting dust? And speaking of scrolling subscriptions, whether it's streaming services, audiobooks, or random monthly payments for apps you've forgotten about, these small charges can really add up. You might not notice them on your bill, but trust me, they're quietly draining your wallet. Instead of buying books you'll never read, try borrowing from the library or swapping with friends. And subscriptions? Time for a subscription audit. Cancel the ones you're not using. You'll be amazed at how much you save when those sneaky payments stop. Now, number 2 is the latest gadgets trap. We live in a world where technology is constantly evolving. But do you really need the latest gadget every year? Whether it's the newest phone, tablet, AirPods, or smartwatch, upgrading when your old tech still works fine is like throwing money out the window. Stick with what works. You're not just saving on the gadget itself, you're also avoiding all those pricey accessories that come with it. Trust me, your bank account will thank you. Next up, souvenirs. We've all been there, on vacation, caught up in the moment, and before you know it, you're buying a bunch of overpriced knickknacks you'll probably forget about in a few months. Here's the thing, your memories don't need to come with a price tag. Instead, take photos, collect small mementos like ticket stubs, or even journal your experiences. You'll cherish the memories without wasting your hard-earned cash on things you won't even display. At number 4, we have the unnecessary cost of staying trendy. Who could forget about constantly updating everything? Whether it's software, appliances, apps, or even furniture, there's always this pressure to keep everything up to date and trendy. But here's a secret. You don't need to keep up with every single update or trend to live a good life. Sometimes, sticking with what works is the smartest and most cost-effective move. At number 5, we have fast fashion. It's affordable, trendy, and everywhere. But do you really need to buy new clothes every time a new season hits? Here's the kicker. Most fast fashion is designed to fall apart quickly, meaning you'll be back shopping in no time. Instead of filling your wardrobe with cheap, trendy clothes, invest in timeless pieces that will last for years. You'll save money and look just as stylish, if not more. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. What's the one thing you should stop buying that's costing you way more than you think? It's high-maintenance items. Yup, it's not just the initial cost. It's the upkeep that's bleeding your wallet dry. Whether it's those fancy appliances in your house, designer clothes that need special care, or those luxury skincare products, these items end up costing you way more than you bargained for. Here's the deal. Stick to practical, low-maintenance items, and you'll find yourself saving hundreds, if not thousands, in the long run. The shock isn't the initial price tag, it's everything that comes after. There you have it. Whether it's that shiny new gadget, the trendy fast fashion, or even those sneaky high-maintenance items, you now know how to keep your hard-earned cash in your pocket. If you liked this video and want more money-saving tips, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to hear this. The best way to get rich? Be smart with your money. See you next time.